Join me as I dive into a wild experiment to see what happens when we pretend the ocean is made of juice. Can I make it fun and educational for kids? Imagine if the ocean was made of juice, like a giant punch bowl covering most of our planet. It's a crazy idea, but it's also a fun way to explore some really cool science concepts. If the ocean were actually made of juice, there would be a lot of problems. For one thing, juice is a lot more dense than seawater, so it would be hard for fish and other sea creatures to swim through it. Plus, juice is way more prone to spoiling than seawater, so it would be a breeding ground for bacteria and other microorganisms. The whole ecosystem would be thrown out of balance. The ocean's chemistry would also be completely different. Juice is acidic, so it would be tough on coral reefs and other marine life that rely on a more alkaline environment. And because juice is mostly water, it would also affect the water cycle, changing the way clouds form and precipitation works. Ocean currents and tides would be impacted due to the thick, viscous juice. Ships and marine life face difficulty navigating due to this. Marine life would have to adapt to ocean chemistry, with some species thriving in juice-based environments. However, many would struggle, posing a challenge for scientists to preserve diversity in a juice ocean. Considering various juice types could compose our ocean, orange juice would be highly acidic, apple juice sweet and less so, pineapple juice even more exotic with a tropical taste. Juices differ in properties such as sugar content and bacterial prevention. Grape juice, high in sugar, attracts marine life, while cranberry juice's bacteria-fighting abilities may maintain ocean cleanliness. In a juice ocean, the water cycle would remain intact, but evaporation would require increased energy due to the thicker and more viscous juice. Rain would still flood due to the denser juice's difficulty infiltrating the ground, while juice-filled plants would struggle to absorb it through their roots. The surprising twist: a juice ocean could significantly impact weather patterns by increasing clouds and precipitation, resembling a perpetual tropical storm. Want to try a fun experiment at home? Fill 3 cups with water, juice, and honey, then add a few drops of food coloring. Watch as the water easily mixes with juice, but takes longer with honey due to its density, similar to a juice ocean. This journey offers valuable insights into the ocean's complexities, unveiling exciting challenges and opportunities. Despite not being realistic, it's a captivating thought experiment that enhances our understanding of ocean science and liquid properties. Thanks for joining me on this adventure. What's your favorite kind of juice? Do you have any other fun science topics you'd like to explore? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe for more videos on ocean life and other cool science topics. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. See you next time.